The Asus Zenfone 10 is a sleek and feature-packed smartphone that caters to both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. With its impressive specifications and innovative features, it stands out in the crowded smartphone market. Design-wise, the Zenfone 10 boasts a modern and stylish design with a slim profile and rounded edges that make it comfortable to hold. The device is crafted from high-quality materials, giving it a premium look and feel. It is available in a range of attractive colors to suit different tastes and preferences. One of the standout features of the Zenfone 10 is its stunning display. The device sports a large AMOLED display with a high resolution, delivering vibrant colors and crisp detail. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or browsing the web, the display provides an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Zenfone 10 is powered by a powerful processor and ample RAM, ensuring smooth performance even when multitasking or running demanding applications. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on productivity tasks, the device can handle it all with ease. In terms of photography, the Zenfone 10 excels with its versatile camera system. It features a multi-lens setup on the rear, including a high-resolution main camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a depth sensor. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-up shots, the camera delivers impressive results with rich detail and accurate colors. Additionally, the device offers various photography modes and features to enhance your creativity and allow you to capture stunning images in any situation. On the software front, the Zenfone 10 runs on the latest version of Asus's custom user interface, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. The device also comes with a range of pre-installed apps and features to enhance productivity, entertainment, and connectivity. In terms of connectivity, the Zenfone 10 supports the latest wireless technologies, including 5G connectivity for blazing fast internet speeds and seamless multimedia streaming. It also offers a range of connectivity options, including Bluetooth, NFC, and USB-C for fast charging and data transfer. Overall, the Asus Zenfone 10 is a feature-packed smartphone that offers a premium design, stunning display, powerful performance, and versatile camera system. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, this device is sure to impress with its array of innovative features and capabilities.